Welcome back to another upcoming Yeezy video, revised edition. And today we're going to be talking again about the Yeezy 350 Desert Sage, releasing March 14th, which is this Saturday, at a retail price of $220. As always, we're going to talk about the wearability of the shoe, stock/availability, as well as potential resale. So let's get into it with the wearability and the aesthetic of the shoe. So we'll throw a picture up on the screen there for you. I got a picture right here. And starting from the bottom, this shoe has a beige sole essentially. The lower of the shoe is a olive with a hint of opacity to it, meaning you could see through it a little bit. And the mid and upper of the shoe are of course olive, where that sage comes from. An interesting olive. At first it just looks normal, but once you look a little bit closer at it, you see that it looks almost a little bit washed out in color. It almost has a little bit of like a gray to it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that on the screen, but it's kind of interesting. The laces are the same color as the mid and upper. And then finally it has this neon orange, essentially, this kind of construction worker orange traffic cone color on it, just to make it pop, really stand out, say, hey, we're here, we're wearing Yeezys, we know what's up. As far as the wearability of this shoe, I think it's towards the middle of the index. The olive is nice, subtle, doesn't, stand out too much, can go with a lot of outfits. And then it has the orange that pops, gives it a little bit more of that, let me only wear this in, certain settings vibes. It's not like you're gonna go out and every occasion you can wear the shoe at. So I think it's towards the middle of the index. The hype for this one isn't huge as far as wearability on it. So I think everything's gonna be kind of towards the middle of the index. It's definitely something that people are gonna be interested in, and there will be some demand. I'm not gonna spoil resale predictions just yet, because now we are gonna talk about availability in stock. And that pretty much means, Matt, how many pairs are gonna be made of this? And where can I get them? It looks like right now that this is gonna be available on a wide variety of sites. So obviously Adidas, Yeezy Supply, you got the foot sites. It looks like a bunch of consortium stores are gonna have this as well. Consortium stores are like kind of just third-party, retailers. And so it's not gonna be that difficult to copy these. Seems like they're available widely from a variety of places. The question, of course, is how many pairs do they have of each? We don't know that, obviously. Obviously, we're not gonna know that until the time of the drop. I would say probably, a couple more pairs than they need to meet the supply. So I definitely think there's gonna be enough pairs for this. I don't think it's gonna be overstocked or anything. They're getting pretty good with making the right amount of pairs generally. But that leads us into part 3 of this, which is it gonna go for premium in the secondary market? Right now on StockX, I'm looking at the prices here. It looks like the base sizes are in the mid 350s, up to just below 400. And it looks like, the other sizes are in the low 300s. So this leads me to believe that this is gonna be similar to the last couple of drops we had as far as price. The base sizes are gonna go, right after the drop, probably for 270 to 300, maybe 310 even. The larger sizes are gonna go for less, 250, 260, 270, 280, and obviously the prices are gonna rise over time. And we should see the bays definitely sitting comfortably, probably around the prices they are now, in the low to mid 300s. I think this is a good shoe to buy. Like all 350s, if you buy it, you have a little bit of patience and a little bit of creativity when it comes to determining where to sell it. You're gonna do well and you're gonna make money, especially if you could get that scale on it. What that means is you need to get more than one shoe. You need to figure out how to scale it, get as many as you can, move those, and kind of rinse and repeat, drop after drop after drop after drop. And so that's my 2 cents about that, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm really sorry I haven't been consistent over the last couple of weeks with putting out just videos in general, and I'm trying to get more consistent because I know that you guys want that quality information on a regular basis, and I know I need to provide it to you. So that's what we're working on. I appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, keep making money.